Hi, my name is Alexandra. I'm the CEO of Staex, and we are very excited to announce the launch of our public network. We are experts in creating secure networks, and one of the demands that came up during our work within the last 6 years is the ability for businesses to create IoT applications securely and safely, however, also at a very fast pace. This is one of the amazing values that our public network provides for businesses. Usually to build an IoT app, businesses take a lot of time to come together to sign the proper legal framework and to get actually into doing. With our public network, this time speeds up dramatically. The businesses have the ability to onboard their devices safely and securely on the network. We have amazing feature sets. Already within days and weeks, they can actually start experimenting and creating services that also can then be taken with the same environment into the production.
The technical features that are unique to our public network is that we specifically designed this network for IoT devices. We hide IP addresses, we encrypt all the traffic and sign all the public key exchange messages to prevent man-in-the-middle attacks. And also we restrict any traffic to only the nodes that you actually own. So despite the fact that all the traffic goes through the one server, you don't need to trust the server because the traffic is end-to-end encrypted.
We position this network as a bridge between Web2 and Web3 world. On one side, for Web2 companies, this network makes it easier to access Web3 services without the need to actually deal with the complexity of the Web3 world. Basically, this network abstracts the complex part and integrates and automates all things Web3 that are needed for the industry. Things like micropayments, things like smart contracts, etc. On the other side, for Web3 companies, we open up the world of Web2 businesses where Web3 companies can also upsell their services through this network towards the businesses that are still not inside the Web3 space. Basically, we create win-win situation for everyone, including the fact that Staex as a public network creates an additional safety layer for the IoT machines in general.
The motivation behind creating this public network is to provide a simpler and secure by default alternative to the internet, because you can't bring IoT devices to the internet because of DDoS attacks, because of the vulnerabilities, and because if you assign a public IP address to your device, then it will be the target for hacker attacks. However, with our public network, you can bring all your devices to the internet and not worry about their security posture. So no one could hack these devices unless you expose your device to adversaries. The next milestone for us is to provide zero trust based on tunnels, increase the security by specifying the exact applications that are trusted to interact with each other. One unusual use case for the public network is to actually use it for your smart home. We already did this. We will show the separate video of how to do this for your smart home. I have 3 devices. This is smart lights, Tasmata firmware. I have 3 of them, and I have an IP camera, which is also located on my local network. We will go to the website, and here we can see the commands that we need to execute. The advantage that you have with our network is that you don't need to use any cloud, for example, to access your IP cameras, your smart switches, your smart lights, etc., etc. Everything can be accessed using the addresses in our public network.
You can test the service online. So please go to our webpage, register for the service, and start using the public network already today, where you can learn how to onboard your devices and how to safely build IoT applications with our network. We're very excited about this, and stay tuned to the updates of our project.
Oh, yes.